Two other ways that you can make revenue using your EzyCourse platform are audio and video libraries. And in this lesson, we're going to look at both of those. Now, there's a few things to say about audio and video libraries, but first of all, let's find where they are on the EzyCourse dashboard. So we go into products and services, and you can see there's a section here for video library. There's a section here for audio library as well. Now there's also a section for video and audio categories. Now basically you can organize your videos and audio files into categories to make it easier to group them together and to make it a better user experience for people to find them. So you can go ahead and use these two sections of your EzyCourse dashboard to add categories that you can use with your videos and audios. And you can do so using this button just here. Now let's go into a video library just here and have a look at the video libraries on this site. There's three: supervision, personal development, and nature. Now, using the menu at the side here, I can view all the videos that are in that library, and I can add to it using this button just here. Now, going back to video libraries, using the menu at the side, I can also edit the pricing of that library as well. So as usual, I can have a free library or it can be a premium library. And if it is premium, I can choose whether it's a one-off payment or a subscription payment. Now back on here as well, when I create a new video library, these are the settings that I will need to enter. I'll need to give it a name, a description, a video library thumbnail. I need to choose whether it's in draft mode or actually published. I can choose who can access it, and I can choose as well different things around what happens after somebody has purchased this. Now let's have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. So here we are on our example site here. I'm logged into this site, so I can go to my icon and click on account and go straight into the dashboard. Now here I have the video library that I've purchased. I also have the audio library as well, and I can go into these libraries and browse through the content that is available. Now remember the categories that I mentioned earlier, that's where they are here. So I can filter videos and audios to different categories so that I can filter what it is I'm looking for. Now I can also put video libraries on public pages. So if we have a look at this page here, this is the video library displayed on a public page. And if these were freely available or I'd already purchased them, I'd just be able to click and play through them. Again, I've got these categories at the top that allow me to filter, and I've even got a search bar at the top. Now this supervision gallery here is actually a premium gallery that I don't have access to. I can still see the videos within it, but look what happens when I click on one. I now have to go through and purchase the video. So I'm prompted to click on the buy now button, and I'm taken through to the shopping cart where I can enter my card details and make purchase. Once I've done so, that video or audio library becomes available in my dashboard. So video and audio libraries, a very powerful feature on your EzyCourse platform.